In today's video, I'll teach you how to use Apple Music on Android. So if you want to use this application, first of all, what you have to do is install it. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Now install the application like you usually do. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen and search for the Apple Music. Tap on the option install and it will be installed. Now after the application is installed, open it. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you have the Apple account and if you want to log in, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, tap on the option settings. Now you can see over here settings will be opened. Tap on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is simply sign in with your Apple account. What you have to do is enter your Apple account and password over here. Now after you do that, tap on this option sign in. Now after that, you'll be signed in to your Apple account. Likewise, you'll also be able to access other settings over here. You'll be able to see the display options, diagnostics about Apple Music, etc. You can access the settings. Now you can simply go back. Now using the Apple Music is actually very simple. If you want to subscribe to the Apple Music, tap on this option try it now that you can see at top. Now after you do that, simply tap on this option try it free. After that, upload your payment method and you'll be able to try the Apple Music and you'll be able to subscribe to it. If you want to listen to the song, you'll be able to see various songs over here. You can also see the new releases, updated playlist, etc. Simply tap on the song that you would like to listen to. After you do that, you'll be able to listen to that particular song. Likewise, you can also play the radio. For that, tap on the radio icon that you can see at bottom. Now after that, you'll be able to see various radio shows over here. You can see the play episode, interviews, etc. Simply tap on the radio episode of your choice and you'll be able to listen to it. If you want to access your library, tap on the library option. Now you'll be able to see your library over here. The songs you saved will be displayed over here. You can also search for the songs. For that, tap on the search icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to search for the artist, song, lyrics, etc. Tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is search by the artist, song or lyrics over here. After that, you should be able to see the results. Simply tap on the song that you would like to play and you'll be able to listen to it. So like this, you'll be able to use the Apple Music. So that is how you use Apple Music on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.